What's going on, everyone? I want to give you guys all a trade idea for tomorrow. So one of the top stocks that I will be watching is going to be AMD through today's lows. And the reason why is that this is the first close below the 50-day moving average on AMD. So today we closed at $88.49, currently trading pretty much flat in the after hours session. But if you can kind of take a look at the chart here, you can see this, nasty little red candle here. We are losing this linear regression channel here. Ever since we really broke out on 729, we put in a high, ran all the way up here to the 150-day simple moving average, back tested, tested once again, back tested, tested and failed. Three multiple touch points here where we could not just break above that $100 area. If AMD really would have broken over the $100.50 range, 101 area, I would say nothing but daylight here, as the next supply zone would have been 105 and 108. Obviously, that is not the case, as the market has pulled in. Some stocks pulled in a little bit more than others, but if you're looking for a good stock to short and you do like to play the semiconductors, I would definitely put AMD on your watch list. Now, does that mean that AMD is absolutely 110% going to flush tomorrow? And that doesn't mean that it's not going to just, magically bounce up into $90, $91? Of course not, guys, right? But what we want to do as traders, especially as day traders, we want to be prepared. And being that I am an options day trader, I want to be prepared, meaning I want to know where potentially could this stock flush to, and potentially what stock is going to give me the biggest value if it does confirm. And right now, if we kind of look at the open airspace to the next support, now I'm not saying, again, do not, write this down and quote me on it, but macro supply on AMD is sitting at $68. That's 20 points down. Does it mean that AMD is going to actually get down to $68? No. But what I don't want to see is support here, support here, support here, support here, support here. I don't want to see all these little, staircases of support. I want to know that if AMD confirms, it's got nothing but airspace potentially to drop and drop hard. Now, obviously, I'm not trying to target 20 points, but I would be looking back to some prior channels here. If we can just start going down to this back test we had at a 10-day moving average, $84 seems like a potential landing zone. If we kind of look at the high of this day here on June the 19th, 86. So let's try and target $86, $84. And if we get that move, lock in those profits, lock in those gains. But just keep in mind that this is a macro flush. Look at the last time that AMD reclaimed, rejected, but reclaimed and confirmed the 50-day moving average going higher. Now, if we get something like a bounce where we reclaim the 50-day moving average tomorrow, all bets are off to the short side. If we look at the way this played out last time, we reclaimed the 50-day moving average and then we lost it, okay? We lost the 50-day moving average, and if we reclaim it, all bets are off to the short side. But if you look at when we finally reclaimed the 50-day moving average here on June the 27th, and then we confirmed those highs, right? Just remember, guys, in order for a stock to go higher or lower, it needs to confirm the previous day's high or low. So if this stock is going to go any lower, it's got to confirm the lows. If it never confirms today's lows, there is no bet, right? There is no bet. Now, if we look at when we confirmed the high here over the 50-day moving average, not only did we run, but we had a fantastic bounce. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days and a high of 104 from a price of $90. So we are talking about a 15-point move. So if we are to backtest, does a 15-20 point move to the downside on a potential swing seem like an out of this world idea? Of course not, right? Look at what we did the last time we reclaimed the 50. So what do you think is going to happen if we lose the 50-day moving average? Now, if you get into a swing trade here and you get 1, 2, 3 days worth of follow through and you lock in some gains, and then we start to rebounce here and reclaim the 50-day moving average, your stop loss needs to be at the 50-day moving average on any daily close. I hope this helps. If you guys want to make serious money day trading options and you guys want to understand the technicals behind it, make sure you guys become a gold lifetime member on my website at evolutiontraders.com. Join my Discord. That link is down in the description box below, and I will see you guys on the next one.